my G-Shock. I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? Got a special review today. It's gonna be an awesome one. First of all, happy Memorial Day. Thank you to all who have served, to anyone who has family who has served, who has died out there serving for our country. Thank you so much. Happy Memorial Day. Let's get started. And with that, I bring you the 9mm Parabellum bullet G-Shock collaboration. Now this one, guys, is from Japan. It was only released in Japan, and I'll explain why. I had to do some research on this watch. When I first bought it, I knew nothing about it, and I did some research, and I love the watch. Now, originally, I thought this watch was one thing, and it turned out to be another thing. But either way, I think it's awesome for what it stands for, and I think it's an awesome piece. Let's get started. Before I get into the background of this watch, let's look at the design. This watch itself is pretty cool. It's got some black, matte black watch with some nice gold lettering there. Very cool. The Parabellum itself is a 9mm cartridge designed by George Luger back in 1902. And I like the way the watch is designed because it kind of resembles a cartridge, the black and gold and all that stuff, which is pretty cool. Now the watch here, you can see it's matte black. And then on the other side here, you have this cool 9mm Parabellum bullet, 9th anniversary. Now this is where I got caught off guard. Didn't know, first of all, I didn't know what a Parabellum was. And then 9th anniversary, I'm like, why is there a 9th anniversary for a bullet? You know, is there like a manufacturer that released this and it's ninth year? It's actually not. And I'll explain that to you shortly. The back of the watch, here it is, 9mm Parabellum bullet, 9th anniversary, 2004 to 2013. This is a 3230 module, DW6900 FS. It's got chrome or silver buttons there. On the dial, you see it says 9mm Parabellum bullet there with the gold lettering around the display. On the backlight, you'll see it's got a cool 9mm number there. Let's see if I can get it to turn on. Boom, look at that. That is so cool. Now, let's get into some background on this watch. Originally, I thought the watch was, if I could turn this light back on. There we go. Originally, I thought the watch was like a 9mm bullet or manufacturer. It turns out there's a Japanese rock band named 9mm Parabellum bullet. It took a lot of research to find that out. And here's a video of them playing. Pretty awesome, guys. Can't take away from their creativity. They're awesome. Here's a video of that. Now, the band was formed in 2014, hence the, 2004, hence the 2004, and the 9th anniversary of the band was 2013. That's why this watch was released. Now, there's also a DW6900 version of this watch, and I'll show you an image of that. I don't have the box for this watch, but I'll show you an image of the box. It's pretty cool. It's got the 9 Parabellum bullet 9th anniversary written on there in black font. That's the box there. Now let's go back to what I thought the watch was about, which is actually pretty cool. Parabellum itself, the bullet, was named by, like I said earlier, by George Luger in 1902. He invented it. And the word parabellum derives from the term savis pacem parabellum, which means if you seek peace, prepare for war. And that ties in back with Memorial Day. Thank you all for your service. For those who are seeking peace, remember, you have to prepare for war. You just never know who's out there to take your livelihood away, to take your peace away. And sometimes you have to fight back with tooth and nail as necessary to protect yourself, protect your life, protect your loved ones. Okay, guys? With that, I thank you all for your service. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I appreciate you. Appreciate all you do. Remember, let's not forget, guys. If you seek peace, prepare for war. Savis Paciem, Parabellum. I'm out of here. This is Chavo. G-Chaco. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking